Welcome. I'm so glad you joined me to learn more about the incredible you. This isn't just a workshop, it's an experience designed to help you understand how you show up in the world, what your impact is, and how to create a powerfully effective culture because of it. The best teams don't just work hard, they listen hard. They hear different perspectives and they recognize where each person's coming from. Let's be real. Sometimes we don't even know how to explain what we're feeling or what we need, much less how to interpret others people's actions or words. That's where the alignment method and the Incredible You workshop comes in. This workshop helps you reflect on your personality, your wiring, and how it influences your actions, your reactions, and your relationships. We start with you and your unique personality and your response to the world and how it shapes how you lead, follow, and connect. Once you understand yourself, you'll unlock the ability to truly understand others, and that's where teams transform. At the heart of this is one major concept, and that's awareness. When you're aware of what affects you, what lifts you up, what sets you off, you can handle it better. And when you can handle it better, you can communicate better. And when your team communicates better, you get better results. This is why it works. It brings everyone into more alignment through powerful, clear communication. Here's how it flows. You take a short personality test beforehand, and I come in and I break down the results clearly, practically. We uncover how personalities interact, where conflicts arise, and how you can work with differences instead of against them. We'll explore things like conflict pairs and why some people naturally clash, and how to turn that into collaboration. Other personalities can create an echo chamber, and how to avoid getting stuck, how to make decisions with more awareness and not just agreement. This is more than a personality test. This is a tool that builds trust, improves culture, and unlocks real alignment across your team. When people feel heard and seen, they contribute more. They can collaborate better, and they communicate at a level that creates value for the entire organization. Imagine if your culture worked like that. Imagine if it doesn't. Book your workshop today and experience incredible.